I got cake now. You want lawyer, you can stay down. I don't want you in my way now. Can't help you see I'm rich. Yeah, say the one thing you been.
All right, so we just pulled up to the gym here. You guys want to know what time it is right now? It's actually 2:02 a.m., which is actually 3:02 a.m. Eastern time. And no, this is not a wake up early in the morning grind set, you can't stop me type thing. This is literally just I could not sleep. So I figure the best way to handle myself not being able to sleep is just go to the gym. So far, we went and washed the car. This car hasn't been washed in so long, I'm not gonna lie. I really don't go very many places because I'm at home working all the time. So it kind of just sits there and collects dust, but you know, when you gotta do the rinse before you take it through the automatic car wash, you know your car's dirty. Today we're gonna be doing a little bit of a day in the life type video. It's not gonna be anything crazy. It's all gonna be realistic, you know, what my day-to-day life is. We're gonna obviously hit the gym, do a little bit of live trading. The majority of today's video though is probably just gonna be work because that's what I do throughout the week. Whether it's trading, whether it's working with students, anything like that. So nothing crazy. This is, like I said, a very realistic day in the life. The majority of the day is going to be work. If you guys can't tell, I need a haircut extremely bad. So I'm hoping to go get a haircut today at some point if I have enough time. But as of right now, we're having a little vibe sesh before we go into the gym while I finish my pre-workout. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in there for a little bit of leg day action. All right, so just got finished up with the leg exercises. 4 sets of leg press, 4 sets of leg extensions, hamstring curls, calf raises. For those of you guys who are gonna ask where the squat's at, I don't even wanna hear it right now. Got that wrapped up. About to sit here and drink a water real quick and then go a few miles on the elliptical, call it a day. Probably run to the gas station and get a protein shake because I'm out, and head back home. All right, we're getting this going. Probably gonna go for at least a couple miles here, maybe more. I actually feel pretty good right now despite the fact that I just destroyed my legs. No Diddy, but we're gonna get this thing going. I'll update you guys when I'm done. Have a good one. All right, I think it is about half past protein shake time right now. Let's do a quick time check. All right, it is 3:54. Come on. There we go. It is 3:54 a.m. So 4:54 a.m. Eastern time. Market opens in basically 4.5 hours. So now I've got to figure out what do I do in the meantime, because at this point, I think I'm already up for the night or up for the day, whatever you want to call it. Thank you, you too. The goods have been gotten. You guys have no idea how excited I am for this protein shake right now. I usually don't drink or like pre-made protein shakes, but if you guys are ever out of protein powder, this Lean Body protein shake, the cookies and cream, is fantastic. Calories in the protein are not great. I mean, it's 270 calories for 40 grams of protein. It's not horrible. It's also not great, but either way, they taste amazing. They fill you up for a little bit at least. Right now, it is currently 8:43 in the morning. Pre-market review starts in basically 15 minutes here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get sat up at the computer a little bit early, and Where is that remote? We're gonna get set up at the computer a little bit early, and we are going to, where is that remote? Am I going crazy? I might be going crazy. Hold on, there it is. All right, so we're going to get pre-market review going, but we're also going to make sure we get set up a little early and get the trade ideas up on Threads and Twitter. I've been making it a point to post my trade ideas there on a daily basis, just so people can take advantage of the setups, even if they're not in the chat, because I'm just a kind guy, and I want to make sure everybody can take advantage of these setups, take advantage of these trades. So what we're doing here is exactly that. And as soon as I go through the charts, I will update you guys, let you know what we're looking at. As of right now, we've been on a 12 or 13 day green streak. Connor signaled Tesla yesterday. I just personally did not take it. Has nothing to do with the trades and everything to do with the fact that I just didn't take it. All right, so we just finished up doing the pre-market review, the charting session of it at least. We've got a few different setups for today. I'll go ahead and show you these different setups we're looking at here. So Tesla actually just ended up breaking that level that we were looking at 222.06 to the downside. Just had news yesterday and it had a pretty crazy drop pre-market. So we were looking to see a continuation on that. Possibly looking at NVIDIA 135 to the upside. There's just a lot of trends going against it right now, which is the only thing that's stopping me from putting this in the watch list and making it a main watch. We've also got Meta to the downside here at 581.40. We've got this flat bottom that we've been holding over the past week. The only thing with this is we need to make sure that we're weak compared to the market, because this zone has been holding extremely well every time we've gotten into it. We've got a pretty crazy bounce each time. So we need to make sure Meta is weak compared to the market. We also have Apple here at 229.75 to the upside. That's just a nice, easy little resistance to play there. And AVGO, we actually ended up breaking to the downside on that too, damn. So AVGO, I liked 182.53 because we got this big sell-off pre-market leading us into this support level, but that looked like it could have turned into a really nice retracement type play. So get a big sell-off pre-market and then retrace this move that we made yesterday, but it looks like we already broke. So I'm not gonna be paying attention to that. Looks like really Apple, Meta, and NVIDIA are the only ones we have left. So I'm gonna go ahead and get you guys up on the tripod so we can get ready for the live trading, and I will catch you guys there. I'm in these personally. It's a little early, but the way we're sitting up here, I like it.
Order partially filled.
Oh.
Yeah,
Order filled.
tweaking.
I need to turn this guy off.
Yeah, let me know if you want help with that.
Nah, I know how to do it. I used to enjoy it.
Fig?
I used to enjoy it, but now it's like every time I press the button, he just tweaks out.
Yeah, I honestly hate listening to that guy. Not gonna lie to you. What's your target on this? Oh, 198.80 first, right?
198.90 is the next resistance, and then 200 is the main resistance. So like, I'm looking.
We got a 93,000 wall at 52 cents.
I can't believe they still have that sitting there.
Yep, it's sitting there. It's sitting pretty. Are we getting some volume? A lot of selling volume though. Let's see what this candle does. Nice.
I like the way. Oh my god, bro! There it goes. Straight to. So 89 cents is that next resistance. So we literally snapped straight there. I would love to see 200 on this. Also, these contracts just moved. 169 buy, they're at 192 right now. So I would say there's no need to even get greedy on this. If you guys want to take profits when you're comfortable with it. But
yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably just gonna get out on this next push. Yeah, this is giving you guys plenty of opportunity to get out at the high.
yeah,
So don't get greedy. It's Friday. You want to just catch this move and just, you know.
there's another wall at 198.90.
Yeah. 10,000 wall at 200 too. That's a little far, obviously, but
Right.
yeah.
They'll probably
2300
stack
wall
it higher at 200 by the time we get there as well.
Look at that. Look at that. Flipped red
Yep.
screen here.
Next wall is at
199.
199. We just
Oh my
broke. Oh my
God.
god, bro. Oh my god. Hold up.
Let's go, baby. Come on. Take it home. Take it
Hold
home,
up.
Keith.
Oh my god, bro. Holy.
Take it home, Keith. I got out, so I'm a little upset, but it's all good.
I think this one's gonna be a 3 Rackaroony fade right here.
Oh shit. You got a 3,000 wall at 90 cents. Sorry, 4,500 wall even.
Oh, it's already 3. Oh my
Yeah,
god,
10,000
bro.
wall at 10,000 wall at 200. So just be
Definitely do
careful
not
here.
let this trade go red.
Yeah, be careful here.
Like, scale out if you want to, scale out if you need to.
The spread is pretty crazy on these.
It is.
Not some, yeah. I just seen it was $30 spread before.
Yeah.
Order
Alright, I'm gonna
partially filled.
sell half here, just in case.
Order filled.
But
Guys, if you caught that, please send profits before you leave and enjoy your weekend.
yeah,
I love you. But send profits. I love you after you send profits.
Nikita's love is conditional.
It is. It is.
Oh my god, guys. Yeah, I would not let the rest of these contracts go red by any means, but
You might get a pullback back to 198.80 again. Or maybe
Yeah.
it'll bounce off 199, which would be great. It's just market is dumping here.
yeah,
that's the
market
problem.
is it's gonna be tough to hold this up. So
Right here, you should get a bounce here on the market, hopefully. If you're going to get a bounce anywhere.
curious to see what would happen if we go red to green on the market here.
Z Boogie, I'm break even. Brother, we could tell you when we're in, when we're out. You gotta do your thing after that. You're definitely not break even right now.
Yeah,
Yeah, this is gone, dude.
I might even scalp 200 if we get aggressive enough into that. Like, I might add there and just sell on the break, just depending on what we do.
Yeah. We need to see some volume though with that.
Oh yeah,
No, I'm talking Himalaya.
I'm adding
Order
here
partially filled.
personally. I'm looking to scalp this
Order
break,
partially filled.
or I'm just looking to sell everything
Order
at the
filled.
high. To be honest with you guys,
12,000.
'cause-
Now it's a 13,000 wall at 200.
yeah.
Let's see it.
Let us
see it.
see it. The market could like have one green candle. That would be beautiful for us.
Bid is trying, bro. Bid is flashing 70 cents and then oh, there it is.
82,
Okay.
83 on the bid.
Yeah.
As soon as I hear
Like,
this
even if
alert
you get
going
into,
off,
like,
I'm clicking sell.
50,000, if you get 50,000 on this candle, you're chilling.
Yeah.
25 right there. That was a nice little boost.
Market just engulfed that last candle though. I'm okay with how it's holding though, to be honest with you.
Nah, it looks good, bro. It looks good. It's doing its own thing.
By the way, my average now after adding is 207 a contract. I'm not going to let these contracts go red. But my average moved up, which means my stop loss is going to have to move up for break even, but
Just want to add, what kind of transparency? Like, where else are you getting this kind of transparency?
it's a great question.
Nowhere is the answer.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god.
Bro, you didn't-
You've
That
got
was a
I'm out of
delayed
those, bro.
reaction.
I'm out
Oh my
of
God, bro.
those.
202, bro.
Come on, bro.
Bro.
There we go. There we go. That's how you
10
end the
fucking
week,
profits
boys.
In the profits chat right
Oh
now,
my
bro.
god, let's go.
Wow, now I'm upset.
Ah, that was so
I'm
beautiful.
happy.
I love
I'm
my
happy
job.
for you, but I'm fucking upset, bro. I didn't play this on my account, bro, and I got out so early.
I love my job. I love you guys. Love the chat.
There he is.
Let's go,
You recorded
boys.
that too, I know it.
I did.
You're a G.
Who
we gotta get
caught
that,
that? Can we please get some reactions in the chat? That was a beautiful trade.
That was crazy, dude. That was absolutely nuts.
There we go. Now we got some
202.
pipers. Let's go,
Jesus
guys.
Christ,
Let's
bro.
go.
Damn.
Lovely, lovely way to end the week. So we just finished up the live trading for the day. This is an amazing way to end the week. We stayed patient. It was a longer trading day than I would have loved it to be, just because it's a Friday and we usually like getting done pretty early, but we've been killing it for the past almost 3 weeks now. 3 trading weeks. Ended the day with a 56% trade on MSTR. 56%. If you guys are not in the Discord, please just join the Discord. It hurts me seeing people viewing our stuff and not taking advantage of all the free value that we're giving out. I mean, it's 100% free. We're currently on a 14-day green streak. The only red trade we had before that was a 1 red day. And then before that, it was a multiple week green streak again. So like, just going absolutely crazy. MSTR, I mean, you guys saw it in the live trading section. Beautiful trade, beautiful way to end the week. And yeah. All right, we're pulling up to the barbershop right now. Finally getting this haircut, so I'll snap back to you guys whenever it's done, and hopefully I don't look like I'm homeless anymore. Looking much more presentable, like a normal human being. Right now I'm about to eat some lunch. Already got it warmed up. We got the rice and we got the turkey. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. I've got to get the student profits post done for the day for the Floors Instagram. And I actually have to run to the drum shack because I got to get my drums ready for a show that I have this weekend and a show that I have next weekend. If you guys didn't know, I also play music, so yeah, that's what we're doing for now. And then we have a lesson tonight in the chat at 8 o'clock Eastern, which I'll take you guys on as well. Should be some good stuff going on in there. We're going over basically how to read strength and weakness compared to the markets, because that's so much of what we do with our actual trading. I figured obviously it should deserve its own lesson. So that's what we're doing tonight. But for now, I'm just gonna get to eating this lunch and I will catch you guys then. All right, so we just got back home. Went and worked on the drums. Did not get to play any, unfortunately, because we had a small series of unfortunate events going on. On the way there on the interstate, I ended up running over a screw and it popped my tire. So that was a fun time. I got to go sit at the Ford dealership for a little while and wait till they got done fixing my tire. So did not end up getting to play any, but we got some work done. We've got 2 minutes until the lesson starts. So just got back right in the nick of time. And I'm gonna be setting this up so you guys can join in on that, but I will give you a quick rundown on what we're going over in tonight's lesson. We're gonna be going over the proper way to read relative strength and weakness compared to the market. That's one of the biggest parts to our trading style. So that's a really important lesson for everybody to attend. So that's what we're doing for tonight. That mixed with a Q&A. So we'll go ahead and get it started, and I will catch you guys afterwards. What is good, you guys? How's everybody doing today? Everybody had a good day? We'll go ahead and get this started here with the 2 most basic examples here. So you've got strength, you've got weakness. What I'm gonna draw out here is an example of strength on Tesla compared to NQ. So you'll hear us talk about these things a lot whenever we either say something's ahead of the market, something's behind the market. So an example of strength here. Let's say we get a move up on Tesla, right? We're getting this move up. Now, some of you guys might just look at this move up and say, okay, Tesla is strong here. But you don't know that Tesla is strong until you see a pullback on the market, because the market could be pushing the same exact way that Tesla is. Now, let's say we get a pullback on the market right here. Let's say we retrace 50% of this move up on NQ, and Tesla only pulls back about 25% of the way. So this is the first sign that you're gonna see that Tesla is stronger than the market, because you see Tesla only gets a 25% retracement, NQ gets a 50% retracement of that move. which means Tesla is holding up against the market. You'll hear us use these different terms all the time. It's saying the same thing basically. So we'll either say Tesla is stronger, Tesla's holding up, something along the lines of that. Now,
or we'll say Tesla just doesn't care about what the market is doing, which happens
true.
sometimes.
That's another thing that we do say pretty frequently. So you see we get the same move up on Tesla and NQ. Obviously, we get a bigger retracement on NQ than we get on Tesla. Now, as soon as you see NQ start to make a green candle here, Tesla might already be through high of day just off of this tiny little move. And when you're watching momentum into these levels, right? Let's say we're looking to take Tesla right here. We're looking to enter a position on Tesla right there. When you see that Tesla starts to gain momentum as soon as NQ sees the slightest green candle, that is when you know Tesla is strong compared to the market. NQ has barely started to bounce at all. Tesla is almost taking out its high already. Now, the cool thing with that is there's a couple different things that are in our favor here. If we take this position here, we know obviously Tesla is ahead of the market. We already got the breakout on Tesla. Now, NQ, any extra green that we see on NQ, any extra buying we see on NQ is just going to help boost Tesla even more. So, as NQ is just barely coming up here and grinding up slowly, it's boosting Tesla more and more and more to give us a better follow through on these trades. The other thing that is working out in our favor here is, let's say we do take Tesla, we get in and NQ starts to see another pullback. This is going to give us even more leeway between where we entered and when we hit our stop loss. So now we really have time to watch NQ here to see what it ends up doing, because Tesla is still holding up extremely well compared to the market. So once again, we see this big move down on NQ. We see Tesla is barely retracing here, just back to our entry level. So once again, that works in our favor as well, because if NQ gets another bounce, let's say NQ gets another bounce here, that means we're seeing continuation on Tesla here, because it was already holding up so well these first two times that NQ pulled back. Every time that NQ is seeing green, it's leading us back to the first way that this works out in our favor, which is giving Tesla that extra boost for the continuation leading into our target. Is that all making sense so far for everybody? Yes, yes, yes. I'm waiting until I see a no. So if it doesn't make sense for anybody, please let me know, because I'm more than happy to go back over it. All right, lovely. That's what I like to see. A bunch of yeses. So you understand the two ways that this really helps us out with our trades. First of all, it helps us read momentum when the stocks are moving into our levels. And second of all, it either A, gives us a bigger boost in the continuation of our trade, or B, gives us even more time and even more room to stop out for a very, very reasonable stop loss. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, that was a killer lesson. I really enjoyed that, actually. We got some student participation going on in there, as well as talking about, obviously, a very important topic when it comes to the type of trading that we do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure that you please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and turn the notifications on so you know when I upload. And make sure you go to the first link in the description and join the floor today, because we are giving away so much value for free. The most we ask for is just you guys support us and interact and show up to the lessons. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, a great rest of your week, and I hope you end the week green. Peace.